Once again, I'm going to make product review video on this low cost drone. This is the LSRC E525 drone with cool lights and 4K camera. It have also bottom camera. It's very easy to carry everywhere. This is a folding design RC quadcopter. Frequency operation, turn on the remote, throttle up, throttle down. Calibration done. It is powered by the 1 key takeoff system and landing. The flight stability of this drone is really amazing. You can do also 3D 60 roll flip with this drone, and this is the headless mode on this drone. It's pretty stable and pretty nice drone with dual cameras with 4K remote control image transmission. You can switch dual cameras up and down. The flight stability of drone is really amazing, and this is a 1 key return back to home. This 4K HD camera drone is really amazing. You can also buy it from Alibaba or AliExpress.com. It's very easy to carry everywhere. It's really amazing drone. Thanks for watching this video.